Hello friend, this is Sonam. Today in this Power Automate video tutorial I am going to show you how to format a approval emails using the Power Automate. So here I am just going to show you that this is the flow we are going to create it, and this is the preview of the flow that I have created already. So this is an instant cloud flow where you have to trigger this flow manually, and once it will trigger, then it will create a start and wait for an approval request, and this approval will send it to a specified user, and this is how the approval will go like this. Whenever we will send an email, this is come with the header like bold and the H1, H2 and H3 header like this one, and the coming with the bulleted format, and also this is the last I just created a Power BI and Power Apps, and I just created as the link. Whenever user click on this, and this will open and with the link also. So let's see from the beginning how to create this flow and how to work with this, and how to create this approval request and work with this approval request using formatting. Let's see. So in the browser I will just sign in my Office tenant address, that is Microsoft tenant address. So click office.com, and here it will ask to sign in, and sign in with your Microsoft 365 tenant address. So I'm just giving my address, email address and password. Okay, as we are going to create the approval flow and within the Power Automate, so we need to open two application, that is one is Outlook where the email will comes, and the Power Automate where we will create the approval request or the flow. So go to that app launcher. Before that, as the application is not showing here, so we can go to that app launcher, and here we can find the Power Automate. Click it on new tab, open it in new tab, and similarly open the Outlook also. And one more thing, if you are not finding the application here, so these all the applications are integrated with the Microsoft 365 as per your licensing. If you are not finding any application that you are searching for, then you can go to that all app section, and here you can find all the applications. Okay, for now just let's go to that Power Automate. So here we will build our flow. So to create this flow, go to that create section, and here we will create a instant cloud flow. So whenever the user will run this flow, then immediately and instantly it will go to the user specified user, and user will get the email. So before that, first we will give a flow name. So format the email approval via flow. Okay, and select the trigger, manually trigger a flow. As the name specified, it is manually trigger a flow. That means whenever the user will click on this, then the flow will run, and click on create. So now the trigger is added to the flow. Now we will add the action to our flow. So the action is to creating an approval request. Whenever we will run this flow, an approval request will be open. For this, click here approval, start and wait for an approval. Yeah, within the approval connectors you can find this approval, start and wait for an approval action. Click here and select the approval type. We can set anything, everyone must approve, so that whenever we will here, if anyone want to, that means everyone should be approve this request or the reject, give the response or fast to respond. So whenever, if anyone can, from the fast people can respond this one. For now I'm just clicking fast to respond, and here I'm just giving some title to our request and assign to. Before that, first I will select assign, and first we need to insert the titles. Suppose I am giving a title like approval request, review and give the approval request, review and give approval. Okay, we just keep it as simple, and assign to. Here in assign to, I'm just assigning some person name. So for now I'm just giving assign to it myself. So this one, and this one you can see the markdown supported. That means we can insert here the details. So in the details, so in Power Automate, suppose there is an article based on Power Automate need your approbation. Article contains Power Automation AI and AI Builder, and what can we do? different types of connector. I'm just putting it in randomly. Once it is done, I will show you what can we format here. And connectors such as, here I will insert some such as SharePoint, Twitter, of course YouTube, Outlook, that's only, and you can get ideas. Okay, so for some link, I am just here Power Automate. Okay, our other articles based on Power Apps and SharePoint. Okay, so this is the simple format. So whenever I will just run this flow, then the flow will run and give approbation like simple only. But here I just want to make this Power Automate as bold. For the bold things, we can insert the double asterisk, keep here and end of the text, and now it will make coming as the bold things. And similarly, I just want to make these things as keep it on a header 1 and for this header 2, and this one is I want to keep it on the header 3. For this, I just for the header 1 we can give header 1. So one hatch, I will give the one hatch here and keep here. And okay, I just keep okay. And the second things, if we want to header 2, for the header 2, this I need to give the say 2 hashtag. And similarly, if we want to keep the header 3, I'm just for testing purpose, I'm just showing you like this. I just want to cover all the things, most important things in one video. So this will coming as the header 3 format, and this one is the little bit bigger and the header 1, and this is the biggest one, header 1, and this will be the header 2. So we can remind this header 1 hatch 2, and the hatch 3 defines the header 3, and this one is the header 1, the hatch 1. Okay, so if you want to keep this all the things as the bulleted format, the just like options, you can give the hyphen. I'm giving hyphens here, just a minute. Okay, now this is the hyphen, this will come with the that option 1. And suppose I'm going to give this one is the bold and as well as the link. For the for those things, first we need to give the we just copy the URL things. First we need to get the URLs, and after that we will insert here. So here I'm just giving the Power Apps URL, and similarly I'm giving one URL for SharePoint only. And to make it bold, similarly I'm giving it as for the bold things. What we will do, give asterisk here and end of the string, and similarly here, and for the bolder things we just need to give save, and that's it only. We should remove this asterisk from that hashtag from here. We just need to give the hashtag just when we started the text. Maybe we got error. Yeah, now this is what we have done. And okay, now yeah, it will come as the H1 tag, and this is the S2, and this is the S3, and this 4 will come with the option. And yeah, this one is we can give for the link things, we have to give that within the square braces we need to give the text that we want to link, and then we should insert the link within the parenthesis. And let's save this flow and just test it. Click manually and test it. We'll check the connection and click on continue and run flow. Let's check the once it is running, let's check the email ID. Here we got the mail, so click here, this one, and yes, we can see all the details like this. Yeah, we just make this Power Automate in a bolder by giving this double asterisk in the end of the string and the start of the string, and the Power Automation. Okay, so my spelling is, yeah, sorry for the mistake. The Power Automation is coming as the H1 tag within the H1 tag, like, and the S2, and this one is the S3 tags. And similarly the SharePoint, Twitter, YouTube, Outlooks, both are coming, all 4 are coming as the bulleted things or the like as option other things, and we can see whenever we will search and click on these text things, then it will coming as the cursor will coming like this. I'm just over the mouse in the power apps and the SharePoint we can see, and whenever I just click on the power apps, it will open with the link. So where is that? Yeah, this is how, and this is the approve and the reject. You can approve or reject the things. Let's approve this. This is asking me confirm. Okay, once I confirm, yeah, now the response is approved and done. Coming to back my mail. So this is how we can do modification, or we can do formatting in the Power Apps. Whenever we will send send an approve notification, approval request via Power Automate, we can do modification and do formatting also. I hope guys you like this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please give a like and please subscribe to our channel for more free videos, tutorials on SharePoint Online, Power Apps and Power Automate, Power BI and many more, and share as much as you can. Thanks for watching. Bye.